All right, Thick Thursday is in the books. Was up in Greenfield today for a vehicle transaction, so took care of business here. It was back in rear delts today. Hammered out the cable pullovers into low machine rows into pull downs. And then another set of those, and then it was on to rear delt pec deck into rear delt shrugs, drop set into Viking presses, 2 total rounds on that, and then abs. That was Thick Thursday.